My name is Armando Durazo. I am a senior editor at the El Paso Times and formerly an editor at the Los Angeles Times where Ruben Salazar used to work. It was important. His work has been very important throughout journalism history. He was a pioneer in the Latino community. He made great strides in journalism, working here in El Paso and then moving on to different parts of the country, where he became a Mexico City correspondent for the Los Angeles Times, which is a very prestigious job for anyone, even now. Then he became news director for KMEX in Los Angeles. You have to remember that at the time that he was doing this, there were not very many Latinos or Hispanics in the newspaper business. So he had to prove himself 3 or 4 or 5 times over so that he would lay the groundwork for the rest of us in our generation to move into this business and then make our own inroads and make our own little histories, in journalism. So it is important for us to remember some of the things that he has done, in journalism and for the Latino community. His death was a shock for the Latino community then, and it is now. So recently, the Los Angeles Times has been trying to find out a little bit more about his death, but the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department is not being very cooperative with that thing. His death was ruled a homicide back in the day. It's still a homicide and it's been unproven. So it's still a case that is open and something that Latino journalists, as well as journalists of any color, would want to have solved, especially now.
And why is commemorating the anniversary of his death this Sunday important for members of the community, not just in journalism, but of the Hispanic and Latino community?
Well, he is part of history of the United States. He was killed during the Chicano movement in Los Angeles. So in effect, he is history. He is part of what this country is made of. When he was killed, the protests were over Vietnam and the disproportionate number of Latinos being killed during that particular conflict. We should never forget our past so that we won't repeat it again. That is why it's important that we honor him and also recollect some of the things that he has done for the Latino community and the doors that he has opened for the rest of us.